What's up, YouTube? I'm RJ, and AJ is...
right here!
Oh my goodness. Thanks, Santa. You got him one of them damn hoverboards. Now he's rolling all over the house, acting all crazy and stuff. Come on, sit down. Let's do this video.
Yeah, let's do a video. And thanks for clicking on it.
Anyways, guys, we are going to check out BTS Airplane 2.
We should have did part 1.
Yeah, we should have did part 1. Why are we doing 2? Anyways, a coworker of mine said I should check it out, so let's do it.
Yeah.
This has like a spy novel feel to it.
It makes me think of like Cuba
Like,
or something.
Yeah, like going in a Cuban bar.
Yeah.
That has a Cuban sound to it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
That beat kind of caught me off guard. Oh, that was the dude rapping last time on the other one that killed it at the beginning of Mic Drop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all know his name. We're going to learn them. We're going to learn the names. I promise you that. In time, we're going to know their names, their birth dates, their where they live. We're going to be the ones outside of their house holding signs up and all that. Yeah, we're going to be like that. Be at the airport, getting tickets to the airplane and then getting off the plane just so we can take pictures with them. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Get their address. It's kind of stalkerish.
Wait, what?
That's it. When you say that, it kind of sounds stalkerish.
Does that sound stalkerish?
Yeah, like we're gonna go over the airplane, take pictures with them, get their birthday, get their address.
Oh, my bad. Let me see the dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. You see that? Did you see what he just did?
Yeah.
What they just did? That was dope. He was like...
But do you know what else they did?
And they start flicking their feet like this. What'd they do?
They did Orange Justice.
Orange Justice? What's
Who
Orange
wants
Justice?
to see me dance a lot? 1, 2, they were like... Yeah, and then they went by. Comment down below if you like my dancing. I forgot to take a bow.
Okay. Let's roll it.
Yeah. Yay. They're like...
Ooh.
standing on it.
Ooh.
Let me...
That was dope. That was dope. Did y'all see what he did?
Who wants to see me dance?
He did this.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
He did something like that, but it looked way better.
Oh my god.
It looked something like that.
You could have just stayed here and do it better, like me. And then he was like,
Alright.
I moved out of the camera.
Yeah,
Let's
I don't
get
think
back
BTS. I don't think BTS is gonna be hiring me anytime soon.
Yeah. They'll hire me.
And yes, I'm wearing stunner shades in the house.
Wow.
But you know what's worse than me? I've seen people in the movie theater wearing sunglasses. Come on, you guys have seen them too.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Maybe they in.
This song is catchy too.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that part.
Why? I guess it's raining. It's raining now.
BTS, you did not disappoint.
Yeah. Okay.
With the dramatic ending. Okay.
You just walk there like.
All right. Okay. Round of applause, BTS. About to start a round of applause. That was BTS Airplane 2. Like I said at the beginning, we probably should have watched Airplane 1.
Yeah.
But, yeah. A coworker of mine told me about it, so I was like, oh, let me just check it out. So what'd you think, AJ? What'd you think about BTS? Remember the last video we did of them was Mic Drop. Mm-hmm. Remember? That was dope as hell.
Yeah, there was a lot of mics.
Yeah, there was a lot of mics in there. But what'd you think about Airplane 2?
Airplane 2, we should have watched part 1.
We should have watched part 1 to see what the comparison was.
You know what made it weird? Is that there wasn't a part, and it was actually the name of the song.
What?
Like, you would be like, this song is called Airplane Part 2. What if that actually happened?
Okay. So what'd you think about the video?
I thought it was good. There's a lot of Cuban dances.
It was a Cuban song, like, had a Cuban, like, sound to it.
Yeah.
But as usual, BTS and like most other K-pop groups, they be tearing it up on the dance floor. But yeah, I liked it too. I liked the rhythm. I liked the sound of it. Again, it had that Cuban, like Spanish twang to it, so that was kind of cool and different. But again, another catchy song. So, anyways, guys, we hope you liked the video. Don't forget, we have a poll right there. You see that right there? Right up here? There's a poll. Click on that and select the video you want us to react to next. We're going to try to put the songs that you guys are most requesting in the comment section in the poll. So, go to the poll and vote for the one you want to see. All right?
Do you know what was cool and perfect timing? When you were like, look at the poll and someone's phone went ding. Dad.
All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Comment emoji.
Go.